Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Order for 12 for SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn deal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Winnie Jean and I want to just chill with you guys today, kind of like showing you what I've been doing at home or what like a cool day of me doing stuff at home. I saw a cool recipe for some pizza, so I'm about to wash my hands and test it out. Wish me luck.
Try to keep me 5 mile water. I lay that down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. A lot of niggas out here playing they ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Miss Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the bottle. Shotty better get never seen I bought her. Got a bitch that looking like a little shit model. I got the key slip off my whip, key list. Cause I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, lighter, forgetting out the coupe at the lot.
It looks so good.
Busting all the bells out the box. Hit a lick. The whole damn deal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo.
Yeah, I probably won't be talking much, but I'll make it really vibey with the music, so I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to like the video. And yeah, everybody stay well, stay safe. I love you guys, and I have a full moon ritual coming up, so if you like these type of vlogs, definitely like this video because it'll keep me making them. We're gonna keep it vibey. A lot of you guys liked my music selection in the last video, so let's get into it. I'm planting some strawberries, some carrots. I'm doing like a veggie fruit garden or whatever. I have some raspberry trees or flat plants. I don't know. This is my first time doing something like this and I'm really excited. So I'm taking you guys with me. Also comment down below if you guys want updates. I just did a wash and go using one of the Urban Hydration lines. I'm actually going to do a curly cut on my hair today. I did a little rough clipping of my ends, but I see some curls that I need to trim. So I'm going to go for more of like that circle shape, and I'm going to do that a little bit later. So I don't know how long this vlog may be. That may be in a different vlog. I sat under the dryer for like 30 minutes, so it wasn't like dripping. So hopefully it's not dripping during this video. My little jewelry curl. But yeah, like I said, let's get into it. And I did not get dressed for this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not about to put clothes on, knowing I'm not about to go outside. I mean, I may do that for like a photo, but y'all gonna get what y'all gonna get on this here YouTube, all right? I got on some silky pants, fuzzy socks, Nike slides, Jamaica t-shirt, baggy hoodie, because I have to go outside and plant some stuff in a second. All right, y'all.
We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm also. Young lady died on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living. So I don't think a little bit rich, just did it. In a few over 5 minutes. That's not in the business. I'm the
Alright, so I literally spent all day gardening, so that was kind of crazy. It was actually kind of peaceful. Like, I looked up and it was dark and I was like, what is happening? So I'm literally starving. I'm about to show you guys what I did today and water a few of the plants that I've already like planted. Just water them real quick. Make me something to eat because I have literally been starving.